Here is one of our keto diabetic diet staples. I lost 100 pounds in the last year. I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make sauteed like onions without throwing them in a pan so that you can use it for your meals or have a nice little addition for your diabetic or keto diet so that you could go ahead and make some sauteed like onions and have these throughout the week without having to spend a lot of time cooking and cleaning with pans. First, I slice the onions in whatever thickness that I want. Pour water over all of the onions so that we can go ahead and get it in all the cracks and crevices. Dump the water. You can also coat the top in butter or baking grease while you are cooking them to be able to add it if you are doing the keto diet, the carnivore diet, or the diabetic diet to go ahead and help you get some of those fats in there while they cook. Throw it inside your microwave for 2 minutes. Let it get going. They are now delicious, tender, and sweet, ready to eat with all your meals. Thank you so much for enjoying the recipe. If you have not already gotten a copy of our Scared of Needles, How I Lost 100 Pounds in 1 Year, please make sure you check the link below to get yourself a copy. It got me to get my A1C regular. It got me to get lower cholesterol, lower blood pressure, got rid of fatty liver, obesity, and of course, no longer diabetic. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next one.